Well, here's my Lasko Weather Shield 20-inch box fan. And yes, not much has really changed about it other than me like putting the knob from the 3733 air circulated box fan, which is this one right here. There'll be another video on that one too. I just figured that the logo on it is actually not old. It's actually, and I can tell that because the plug on this one's actually also blue. But of course the logo might be in like I mean the letters of the logo are like or capital, but they don't have the wave K like right here. But yeah, we're on my bed. So let's go ahead and take a look at the top of the fan. So the top of the fan has the handle and the knob right here. The knob is actually the same color as the cord. No, that's the plug. That's pretty cool, actually. So, oh yeah, it's not plugged in. I just realized that. So, like I said, the plug, this is the color of the plug. Comparing it to the, oh, actually it's a bit different in color. Okay. Let's go ahead and turn. Alright, let's plug this bad boy in, turn it on. Alright, okay, there we go. Alright, there we go, and okay, and put the boot back behind it. It is a really nice fan, but it does fall over. They do still make these, I guess, I don't know. They do have the newer Lasko logo, but they're black. They have thermostat. And yeah, that's really all I know about it. And on the handle, there's like a little bit of residue right here. I'm assuming that's like the part where I'm assuming the handle said Weather Shield at one time, but somehow it got removed by like the previous owner. I haven't demonstrated this in a while, but here it is. Here it is on high speed. That's really nice. It's some very good airflow. It's also not too loud either. There's medium. Medium, it's already very quiet. There's low speed. Yeah, even on low speed, it's actually still blowing a good amount of air. I really do love it. Back to high speed. And I actually didn't show you guys the back of the fan. Okay. That's the best I can do. You can tell that the cooling vent is very similar, but it's actually not the same. Well, there you go. There's video 2 on my Lasko box fan. Thanks for watching. Peace.